Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Instagram Explore page not loading. So the first method is open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on app management. Now tap on Instagram, tap on storage usage, tap on clear cache, also tap on clear data, and after that check the problem is fixed or not. And the second method is we need to uninstall our Instagram and we need to reinstall. So open your phone settings again and tap on app management, tap on Instagram, tap on uninstall, and after uninstall go to Play Store and reinstall Instagram, and that's how we can fix this problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.